What's going on, everybody? What's going on? This is Jacqueline Price back again with another short video letting you know about this amazing product that I found, Drink2Shrink. Okay, so we're on my Facebook page right here, Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie, and we're going to talk today about what's in Drink2Shrink. So I've been getting a lot of questions from a lot of different people inside of my group. This is my Facebook group. So I've been getting a lot of questions about what's in it. Is it safe for children? If I have high blood pressure, can I take it? All those kind of questions. So we're going to talk today about what's in Drink2Shrink. First, I just wanted to say that I am an online marketer, full-time from since 2018, and it's been an amazing journey. And this is my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like the channels, comment on the video, share this video, share this Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie, the Facebook group. Share it with your friends, because someone is needing to get healthy. It's time for us to get healthy going into 2021. We're in 2021 and we want to be the very best version of ourselves, and we owe that to ourselves to be healthy. And so this video will not be long, but I want to make sure that you hit the button to subscribe and be sure to hit the little bell so that you won't miss any of my amazing updates about this particular product and many other ways to earn money from home. Sorry guys. So I want to make sure that you get the information that you need. And today we're going to talk about what's in Drink2Shrink. And so again, this is my Facebook page. You can find me on Facebook, Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie. The link will be in the description below. And if you want to lose 5 pounds, you want to lose 10 pounds, 20 pounds, like before, coming up into 2021, you can do that with this amazing product, Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to my website, bestdrink2shrink.com, bestdrink2shrink.com. And so you may have been seeing this ad everywhere all over Facebook, but this is what's happening, guys. This product is amazing. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to my website. I think I had it posted in here. Okay, yeah, here it is. And we're going to talk about what's in Drink2Shrink. Doesn't that look good? OMG, yes, yes. Okay, so we're going to go to the website. We're going to see what's in it because the website shows you exactly what's in it. All the different herbs. And, you can Google those and look them up. It's all natural. 9 different herbs. Oops. It's not loading up. Let's reload. 9 different herbs. Well, what's going on? Checking the connections. Maybe it's because I clicked on the link. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Here we go right there. Okay, Drink2Shrink with Miss Jackie. And so we're going to click the shop button. So when you get here, that's what you want to do. You want to shop. And I will ship it to you. I send you everything that you need to make it. It's very simple and easy to make. And it tastes very good. There's so many different flavors. And I think right now I have strawberry, orange. I have blackberry lemonade. I have pineapple, and I have cherry. So those are the flavors that I have so far. And so we're going to get on the, let's see if I can find it right here. Okay, so the Drink2Shrink system will help you lose up to 10 to 15 pounds and take inches off your belly and waist your first 14 days. After your purchase, you will receive our Drink2Shrink formula along with directions to create your favorite flavor. It takes approximately 5 minutes to make. And so here are the ingredients. Drink2Shrink formula contains 4 additional ingredients for added effectiveness. Our detox ingredients are 100% organic and are a special blend of safe, natural, edible herbs. Holy thistle, sorry guys. Holy thistle, persimmon leaves, malva leaves, marshmallow leaves, blessed thistle, papaya, ginger, chamomile, and myrrh. It is the special blend that allows the gentle cleansing of the whole body with continued use. All the enzymes that used to be in our food to give us a colon health have been destroyed with modern processing of foods and the dairy products. Now we can get back to enjoying perfect colon health. Our formulators have been working on this safe and effective colon cleansing product for 20 years, perfecting it for consumption by persons of every age and weight. Our detox, formulated by doctors, is a unique herbal blend of safe, all natural ingredients designed to gently cleanse the digestive tract and detoxify the whole body. This detox is like a white tea, a green tea, a weight loss tea, and a great tasting herbal tea all wrapped up in each unbleached tea bag. Drink to shrink. So that, guys, is what's in it. That is what's in our drink to shrink formula. That's what's there. And look at those colors. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? It's absolutely amazing. I've had many of the flavors, and I guess my favorite flavor is pineapple. And so, because I really love pineapple, so that's my favorite flavor. But I have been getting so many questions about what's in Drink to Shrink. Is it safe for children? Is it safe if I have high blood pressure? And all the answers to that is yes. And of course, check with your doctor, but the answer is yes. And so if you want to be a distributor and you want to sell Drink to Shrink and bring this to your community, to your family, to your friends, comment down below, inbox me, I'll put my number down below so you can text me. You can text me and let me know that you want to sell this. If you want to buy it, the link will be there for you to buy it. Connect with me on Facebook. Get into my group so you can get some more amazing tips, some more amazing recipes and everything like that. And so I wanted to just come on here and just share briefly what is in Drink to Shrink. I've been getting so many questions. So be sure to like, comment on the video, subscribe to my channel, and be sure that you hop in my Facebook group. And this has been Jacqueline Price, and I will talk to you on the next video.